I've done this to my Surron because it keeps falling off because I have bigger tires and a little bit of race suspension. So I got this by Bilfaro. It's gonna be theoretically a very, very quick replacement. So let's see. And here it is. I've extended the maximum. Finally, the bike can stand on its own. So before it couldn't, it would just keep falling. Also, it's customizable. So you see right now, you could lift it even higher than you could before, because it has this little metal piece you could remove. And there it is, installed, extended to the maximum, and it still clears the pedal kit, which is important because I have pedals on this bike. So this is awesome. The old one I had to modify to make the bike stand. I had to lift it with some stuff. But yeah, this Bilfaro kickstand, it's awesome. I really like the quality. Everything that you need is in the box. Look, it's even longer than the one that I made, so it's perfect. Thanks for watching.